Does long division make you want to scream? By the end of this video, you'll knock it out in seconds. Let's go to the chalkboard.
Let's start with something easy. What is 156 divided by 12? Instead of dividing the hard way, let's use friendly multiples. What's an easy multiple of 12? How about 12 times 10? That gives us 120. Now subtract 120 from 156. That leaves us with 36. And 12 times 3 is exactly 36. Perfect. So we add up our chunks. 10 plus 3 equals 13. That's chunking. You just take easy bites until there's nothing left. Now let me show you the proper way your teacher wants to see it written in the test. It's the exact same maths, just laid out more neatly. We set up the bus stop. 12 on the outside, 156 on the inside. Step 1. How many times does 12 go into 15? That's 1. Write 1 above. 1 times 12 is 12. Write that below and subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now we bring down the 6. That gives us 36. How many times does 12 go into 36? That's 3. Write 3 above. And the answer is 13. See? Same answer as chunking. The formal method is just a tidier way of writing it. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. That's the cycle. Now remember that scary problem from the short? 936 divided by 12. Let's smash it using our bus stop method. 12 into 9 doesn't go. So we look at 93 together. 12 goes into 93 7 times. 7 times 12 is 84. Write 7 above. Now subtract. 93 minus 84 gives us 9. Bring down the 6 to get 96. 12 goes into 96 exactly 8 times. Write 8 above. The answer is 78. Boom! Not so scary now, is it? Sometimes you'll have a little bit left over. That's called a remainder. Let's try 500 divided by 12. 12 into 50 goes 4 times. Write 4 above. 4 times 12 is 48. Subtract. 50 minus 48 is 2. Bring down the 0 to get 20. 12 into 20 goes 1 time. Write 1 above. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract. 20 minus 12 is 8. And there's nothing left to bring down, so 8 is our remainder. The answer is 41 remainder 8. Easy. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this one. 864 divided by 16. Set up your bus stop and work through the cycle. Ready? Let's check with our bus stop. 16 on the outside, 864 on the inside. 16 into 86 goes 5 times. Write 5 above. 5 times 16 is 80. Subtract. 86 minus 80 is 6. Bring down the 4 to get 64. 16 into 64 goes exactly 4 times. Write 4 above. So the answer is 54. Amazing! You've just done long division like a pro. That's how you crush long division. Remember the cycle. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Keep practicing and you'll ace it.
Amazing work today! Grab your free practice questions from the link below. See you next time!